In front of me is Honor Magic V3 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Click on this switcher next to allow access to manage all files and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Finally hit Clean over here. Select Clean next to Junk Files and last but not least, hit Clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!